Hey everybody, welcome back to the garage. Thanks for tuning in. We're gonna go ahead and tear into this thing and see what it does for us. If you are anything like me and you're like always trying to hold out for the best deal on the cheapest stuff, then you're probably looking at something around this price range. But is it worth the money? Is it really gonna help out with what I'm looking for? Is it really gonna degrease all this thick grime that's built up around the engines and other vehicles too? Is it going to clean this stuff off the concrete? So that's what we're going to test today. Not only unboxing, but using it actually. So let's just see what's inside. Okay, so right away, 1750 psi, 1.3 GPM. They say regardless of your PSI, your GPM is what really matters when it comes to quality of machine. Now they had one there that did like 4.2 GPM at Harbor Freight. It was like over $1,000 for a gas powered Predator, you know, but this was $100, a tenth literally. So let's get in there. Now if you're going for like a industrial, trying to make a job out of it, you're probably not going to want this guy. There's some crazy looking tool there that you'll probably lose. Some screws. That's the handle. We'll have to screw that on. That's where the 4 screws go, looks like. Little tiny detergent bottle. Okay, see, they didn't say that was actual size. That's funny. Yeah, actual size. Now we know. Your hose, non-marring, so I guess you can drag it over the paint of your cars, right? And still be able to sleep at night. Okay. Well, that probably doesn't work. And that's it. Let's get this bag off. Cord, super long cord. Look at all that cord. My goodness. That's good though, right? You can walk around the whole truck with it, or whole vehicle, whole driveway, whatever it is. I'm stuck. Don't get it. What? So this handle is just gonna pop onto the front here. Slide it in uniformly. That's where those 4 screws are going to go. And this guy's going to slip right onto there. Probably, I imagine. Something will hang there. Maybe a gun. Or this will hang there. And this guy just going to plop right into there. And give it a little quarter turn. Bingo. Oh yeah, you just push in, quarter turn back out, and those things will go there like that. That will store there. This goes right here and hangs on that hook just like that. Isn't that cute? I still don't know what this wire is for. I don't want to look in the directions. Let's see if we can hook up the hose. O-ring, so wiggle that in first. And this you fill up with soap. And where do you put this? So you put this in first and spray your degreaser all over it, then I guess. Then you'll have to take it off, put on your wand, and spray it off. And this hose, everything's kind of simple. And then that's it, huh? Wow. Did you guys see that? Now it's locked. And you can lock the trigger too. Maybe. Is that what that's for? Oh. Well, that's to keep you from not using it. Why the hell would you want to do that? Alright, we got the hose hooked up to the back here, and even without it on, you can still you can use it. You can still adjust the nozzle and get yourself a nice squirt gun going. Alright, let's turn it on here. Whoa. Okay. So it's possible those surges might have been air pockets in the hose. I did try to get rid of that first, but that's my best guess. So, I mean, that's not bad. That's taken off the grind, really. It is. It's working. Let's see if we can find something a little heavier duty.
Heavy duty.
Okay, so it's kind of greasy right here behind the block, and on the other side, let's see what happens. Oh, don't get the camera too wet. Too wet. It's soaking wet.
Can you even see through Yeah.
Well, it works. It's messy. I don't know why I'm surprised I'm soaking wet. It's like I didn't know it was going to be splashing all over the place. But we get up close here. We can see this half of the block is... This is just like one sweep over it, basically. And then look at the old factory silicone. And then look at the silicone on this side. Right, and then look at this half over here. It's still all black. And in the transmission case, everywhere that's black is where I didn't touch. Everywhere that's clean is where I sprayed. But now I'm gonna try the degreaser on this area here, this power steering area. All right, let's see what happens. So that's a full cup of straight degreaser. Let's see how long it lasts. I'm washing my car from now on. You can probably fill that up with car soap. grinding out pretty fast. And now I've got some in my power steering. Well, that's definitely removing a lot of stuff. So far I'm happy with it, and to find out too, to realize that I can put car soap in that thing and use that to spray down my cars now. I don't have to go to the store and buy one of those, you know, soap guns that are designed for car wash. I've got a 2-in-1 thing now. It is taking off years of stuff. Might even be paint. So that's okay. I plan on painting everything anyways. You know, so I think for this type of stuff, you know what, I did say I want to use it on the ground too and see how well it got that away. Let's do the concrete too, or just a piece of the concrete and some time lapse and see what it does. Well, it works a little bit. I mean, it works well enough for what I need, I should say. You can see a difference here. Whoa, wake up. Right there is where I stopped, right? I just did that corner. And you can even see where I wrote GG Speed Shop. And then, like, I don't know why those letters turned out more gray. I think because I did that a little longer, I sharpened it up, so I think I even might have taken away some of the white, you know, the finer stuff away from the bigger rocks. Didn't really take away the fresh stains. Those are power steering fluid from just yesterday, from just rolling it back. So block came pretty clean. All right. Not bad. Frame's not bad. It's still oily, right? I got a couple more coats of degreaser and stuff like that. So it's, I mean, this is, even at that pressure, it's taking off paint. So really, it's spraying hard enough. Just got to spend more time on it. So overall, I'm happy with it. I mean, I'm gonna keep it. It's gonna work for what I need it for. So yeah, I mean, and it was on sale really, 99 down to 79. I got some coupon, but yeah, that's gonna do it for the unboxing. Let me know what you guys think about it. It seemed to work pretty flawlessly. You just got to make sure the kids don't turn the water off on you. That's interesting. The RPMs would go up and up and up higher as I was spraying it. They had like turned it not all the way off, but it wasn't all the way on. It was just like cracked open. So if your RPMs start going up and you start kind of losing pressure, then it's probably cavitating. You don't have enough water pressure going to it. But that was my fault, not the machine's fault. So I'm gonna get back to work. And as far as degreaser goes, I really couldn't tell you which one worked better. I would need to use it more like without the machine. But both of those were available at Harbor Freight. I'm just not sure which one would work better. This one on the back says, you know, don't leave it on aluminum too long, it'll etch it. So but maybe it was, I did dilute that one too in half, so the yellow one might be stronger, but I'm not sure. Neither one of them seem to do a super bang up job. I almost wonder what just like some purple power would do instead. But yeah, that's gonna be it. Let me know what you guys think. All right, have a good one. Please like and subscribe, and again, thank you for your support. The subscribers are going up, you know, everything's going up, the channel's growing, it's looking pretty good. So thank you guys again, and have a good one.